Oh hey, thanks for stopping by and welcome to Onchain Journal, where you can find videos with deep dives into different projects, where we share our thoughts on the potential of a project, for instance. You will find educational videos explaining difficult terms of the crypto space, and we know it can be overwhelming when you are new in Web3, so we want to explain that as easy as possible. Then you might find also videos where we share our opinions on different thoughts on recent events that are happening out there in the crypto space. So that's something you might find. And look, we don't want to be like every other crypto channel that is screaming, look, this is your 5 altcoins to get rich by yesterday, for instance. In the end of the day, we are a group of 5 friends who have different levels of experience, but we are learning day by day, looking into projects day for day, and sharing with each other all the different things that we're learning day for day. So we might as well share it with the world out there. And if we can help anyone along the way out there, then I think we can be proud of that. And there is enough FUD and Shill and how to focus on how to make quick gains out there that I think it is incredibly important to tone things down and focus on other things as well. The fundamentals, for instance, the team, that is always like very important when you look at investments beyond, even beyond crypto, for instance. So we don't want to focus on some different aspects as well. And if this is up your alley, then make sure to hit the subscribe button down below and follow us for all of our content that is about to come. And it would help us grow. We would appreciate that from the bottom of our hearts. So thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.